really doing very much, just taking a still picture. So I've set it to recording video now and audio, so I'm just going to walk around the camera and also just repeat that little exercise just for the sake of the spatial audio, and just walk out onto the balcony. Make sure the curtains don't. Walk out onto the balcony. It's quite a nice evening here now. I'm just going to turn the cameras round, so if you're just watching face on, you might be able to get a better idea. It's also just to pick up the sound of the cars driving past. A little spatial audio test. So this is the apartment. Shut the door again. Yes, I'm getting quite excited about this spatial audio. It's something which is relatively new. It's not exactly straightforward to do, but Ricoh do provide some tools that allow you to publish with spatial audio to YouTube, and I've done a couple of tests now, and I'm really quite impressed by the way in which the sound moves around as you move the image on the screen.